another video.
Yep. And today we're gonna be looking at the title and the pic and the thumbnail.
I don't even know what it's called. He knows what it's called.
So it's like a mukbang. So we're gonna eat, chill, talk. We got food from
the Hangar 6.
Hangar 6. Hangar 6 Air. Hangar Air 6? I don't know. Damn, did they put bacon in here?
I just got wings though.
We got a burger and bacon on the side. I asked for it on. Nah. It's all good.
They gave him like 3 fries.
Yeah.
With how he's...
But I'll let y'all know if it's good.
They didn't even give me my fries.
They said we're gonna share.
We're gonna share 3 fries.
We're gonna share 6 fries.
Anyways, guys.
So we have just been fixing our house.
We're just gonna talk to y'all.
We don't know what color to paint it. See
Oh,
the wall back there?
I do.
I don't know.
Can you get mine, dude?
I was about to get it.
I wanted a dark gray. I just feel like it would go pretty. You know?
If y'all know like a color that's gray that you actually start to paint and it looks gray.
He wanted a light gray, but I don't want a light gray.
A light gray would look better.
I don't think so. Let me try a burger.
This burger's big as fuck.
You're not gonna put lettuce or anything in like that in there? Yeah, I'm gonna went hard with lettuce.
It is gonna go hard with lettuce.
I'm gonna lay him down because this is my baby, guys.
We don't know how long it's gonna take for us to move in.
Here's my handsome baby. I love him.
We're trying to move in fast though.
Yeah, ASAP.
And then we're gonna get some Wi-Fi so I can play Fortnite.
Fortnite's a stupid ass game. Anyways, if you haven't been to this restaurant, it's literally bomb as hell. You guys should go check it out.
Pretty good. Ooh, there's more lettuce.
He literally...
I still need to buy a PS4 though, so it's alright. Just use Wi-Fi.
This is why he always wants me to get. I can never pick what I want to eat because he wants me to...
I didn't force her to get this.
No, he wants me to pick what he wants because he wants to eat whatever he wants. So I have to get it so he can eat it. Like, seriously, I can't ever eat in peace. Never.
You gotta buy it on my burger though. It's only fair.
How is that only fair? That's a big ass fucking burger.
And that's a lot of wings.
Alright, well, give me a fry.
I'm gonna share fries, though.
We were gonna do a Q&A, but we're just gonna talk about our life with y'all.
Let's just talk.
Whatever.
Hey, dude, don't lean on this. What are you doing?
Whoa, you're the one who's...
I was not leaning on it.
I'm leaning on it now. Nothing's happening.
Because you lean on it more that way.
Nothing's still happening. Barely.
Yeah,
well, I wasn't putting so much weight on it.
Barely. She's all fat.
I am not fat. All my baby fat is going away.
Because you're starving yourself.
I'm not starving myself.
Haven't ate all day.
So this is going down good.
What?
I might do a makeup video on here. You wanted me to make my own
Not
channel.
on here. You are gonna make your own channel.
Why? Why can't I just do it on here?
Why? That's.
Don't say that's stupid.
I'm not gonna say it's stupid.
You were gonna say that.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were.
I swear to God, I wasn't.
You can't be swearing about.
I can if I'm serious. Why do a makeup
Why am I
video-
gonna make my own channel though? Like,
Why do a makeup video on here if it's not about makeup? Get your own channel, then you can't transfer your video to that channel.
whatever.
Goofball.
Should I make my own channel?
Let's see why she shouldn't.
I'm not asking you. I'm asking them.
And I wasn't answering to you. I was answering to them.
No, you weren't.
I said I don't see why she shouldn't.
Don't hit me, faggot. Give me another bite of your burger.
What kind of sauce is this? Mayonnaise.
It's a good ass burger.
Is this ranch? Can't be ranch. Damn, I don't know what this sauce is.
Baby, what?
Damn, but it tastes pretty good, so let's see.
I'm getting hungry.
Damn.
Anyways, guys, do y'all want to know how we met?
That is some good ass sauce.
Well, you're supposed to get close to me, and you're over
You
there.
ain't gotta break my neck.
Actually, I don't. Do y'all want to know how we met, guys? We met in Los Angeles. No, I'm kidding. We just met in school.
At a table.
I wasn't at a table.
Well, no, that's where we met, but where I asked you out at.
You didn't even ask me out at a table.
We were sitting down.
We were standing up.
No, the fuck
Yes,
we weren't.
dude. No, cause look, I remember.
Bro, no. You sat
Yes.
down and I sat next to you.
That was after I said yes. Okay,
No.
yes, cause look. Okay, so this was in 8th grade, and he was like, his friend was like, who's gonna ask you out or whatever, and then I was like, nervous or whatever. I just was like, I wasn't ready. Like, I didn't want him to, but at the same time I did. So then, I went into the cafeteria, and he wasn't even in the cafeteria yet. So when I got out, he was there, and then he was like, can I talk to you? And then I was like, oh my gosh. So I knew he was gonna ask me that, right? Because his friend told me. And then, I was like, not, like, I don't know. I didn't want him to ask me because, like, I was kind of scared or whatever. So, like, I just was like, hold on. So I went with the group of girls because they were talking to the coach. And then he called me again. And then that's when he asked me out. And I said, yes. And then that's how it went.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, I remember. I have a good memory.
I thought we were sitting down. On the...
No, that was after. After you asked me out.
I have a bad memory.
Yeah, you do.
Can't even remember anybody's birthday.
Can you remember mine?
Yes.
When was it?
October 13th.
Nope.
Yes, it is.
Anyways, that's how we started dating.
But you said how we met, not how we started dating. You gotta tell another story. When did we meet? I bet you don't remember that.
When? We met in school.
Oh, bless you.
Bless you, baby.
Obviously, I didn't just pull up to your crib.
Yeah, you did.
Boy.
Literally.
So how do we meet? Come on.
We met in school.
I said how, not where.
That's how we met. In school. We had a class, but we wouldn't talk to each other.
And why was that?
Because you had a girlfriend? Obviously.
Did
I wasn't going to be like, oh, hey, Julio. And then he added me on Snap. And then I added him on Snap. And then he said, no, actually it was my birthday. When he added me. And,
that was your birthday present.
what was my birthday present?
Me adding you.
Oh, really, dude?
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, he texted me and he was like, you and my grandma have the same birthday. And I was like, really cool. And then, you did say that. And now I know which grandma, because she's not really your grandma, right? Or is she your grandma? Emma's grandma? Because she has the same birthday as me.
Mm-hmm.
Well, so his step-grandma, I think, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And, he was like, well, that we have the same birthday, whatever, and I said that was cool, and then he said if I wanted to start a streak with him, but I told him no, because he had a girlfriend, so he was like, okay.
She was cold-hearted.
I was cold? Mm-hmm. How? I wasn't going to start a streak with him if he had a girlfriend. And then...
I'm just kidding, guys. Fuck, man.
And then he broke up. He broke up with his girlfriend. And it wasn't because of me. Even though everybody said it was because of me, it was not because of me. And I would talk shit to him a lot, even like we didn't even really know each other, but like because of drama that I was in, I was talking shit to him and I was texting him, and I was like just telling him so much shit because it wasn't me. I wasn't the reason why his relationship just fell apart, you know? Even though everyone was saying that it was me.
No more, no.
So I was telling him stuff, and yeah, so we just started texting from there. And then, wait, we started texting from there, and then he asked me out.
Because I was smooth. Still am.
And now we've been on 2 years, and...
About to be 3. Fuck, wait, I'm holding my burger. About to be 3.
Yeah, we're about to be 3 years.
That's my streak right there. Or our streak.
This is literally the longest relationship I've ever been in.
Same.
Is that ranch? What is it?
But it's fucking good. I don't know what it is. I know it was ranch, but I smelled it and it wasn't.
And it doesn't taste like ranch either?
No. Oh, fuck, I don't know. Probably does, I just don't. I don't know. I'm gonna be posting videos of my.
No, because this
No,
ain't your
I'm
car.
gonna make another
This ain't your
YouTube
car
channel of my car.
Shit, I was biting my nail and I freaking went too far. Now the chila's burning my finger.
Por?
I'm not even funny. Shut up.
Damn,
What?
I'm full.
You're full?
Yeah.
How are you full?
I just finished a big ass burger.
Oh yeah, and 2 of my wings.
Maybe it is ranch. Fuck, I don't know. Forgot how ranch tasted.
How? Let me see.
I don't eat ranch. It looks like ranch. We don't it?
Let me see. Oh, look at my finger.
Wait.
Let me smell it. Just let me
it's
smell
not
it.
ranch.
Oh, I don't know what that is.
Shit's good as fuck, man.
With what? Fries and everything?
Anything. Even with those wings.
That was a bone. We were gonna, while I was giving birth.
Record. She wanted to record.
To be honest, while I was pushing, I was gonna give up. But I didn't because I didn't want to have a C-section.
Right when she was gonna give up, his head was already there.
Only because I felt
out.
No, the epidural helped me. Like, if you're pregnant, take the epidural. On some people, it doesn't work on some people, but it does help. It helped me because I did not feel my contractions anymore. And while I was in labor, like, it's like I wasn't even pregnant because I didn't feel any contractions or anything. And while I was pushing, I didn't feel anything until he tore me or whatever. So that's what I felt. And it hurt me. But I had to push him out because I didn't want to get a C-section.
Yeah, guys, so it's the story on how Ivancito came out.
He was really emotional.
Ooh.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't.
You were crying once he was already out. Yeah, you were. I saw you crying.
You were probably dreaming.
I was not
Or
dreaming.
daydreaming.
I was. Really? I saw you. I'm not dumb.
You saw me?
Uh-huh. He was so emotional. He was helping me, like, literally. He was holding my leg. And he was counting for me. Everything, right, baby? Yeah, he was, like, literally there for everything. And then he cut the umbilical cord. What? But I'm gonna get pregnant again. Right.
In 2028.
No, that's too long.
Oh.
That's how that is. That's 10 years.
9.
Really?
In 2019. Wait. 19, 20.
Really?
Ah! I told you it was 28. I mean, 8. I don't know what the fuck I said.
No.
What?
I want more wings, and you had to eat mine.
I didn't need your wings.
Yeah, you did. Anyways, guys. That's it for today.
Join us next time on this mukbang. Mukbang! Something like that.
I really want to do an ASMR.
So stay tuned for that. We still gotta figure out what we're gonna eat.
He wanted to do chips, but I mean, we can, but, like, that's kind of lame. So I was
we'll
thinking...
just order, like, a little, like, from China or something, like a little packet. Little box that has, like, all this crazy stuff in there.
Wait, what do you mean?
Though we can... Just stay tuned for that. We'll be back with more videos. Later, guys.
Shop around, designer down, dribble drown, dribble drown.